Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence solves complex problems or reasons like a human brain? Today, we're diving into chain of thought prompting, a fascinating method that empowers AI to think step by step. Chain of thought prompting is a technique in AI where the model reasons through a problem in a step-by-step manner, much like how you would solve a math problem or analyze a puzzle. This approach helps the AI to break down complex tasks into manageable steps, leading to more accurate and interpretable results. Let's take an example. If you ask an AI, if John has 3 apples and he buys 2 more, how many does he have? Instead of directly answering 5, the AI might reason, John starts with 3 apples. He buys 2 more. Adding these together gives 5 apples. This step-by-step reasoning ensures clarity and accuracy. This technique leverages large language models, like GPT, which can process natural language inputs. By structuring the prompt to encourage logical steps, we guide the AI to think more like a human. For instance, instead of just asking the AI for an answer, a chain of thought prompt might look like this. Explain your reasoning step by step to solve this problem. This prompt ensures the model provides an interpretable pathway to its answer. This technique is transforming multiple fields. In healthcare, AI uses chain of thought reasoning for diagnosing diseases by analyzing symptoms step by step. In education, it helps students learn by breaking down complex problems into smaller, understandable parts. Imagine a student struggling with physics. The AI doesn't just give the final answer but explains the entire process, empowering the student to understand and learn. As AI continues to evolve, chain of thought prompting will play a key role in making these systems more reliable, interpretable, and aligned with human values. It's not just about getting the right answer, but understanding the why behind it. Chain of thought prompting represents a significant leap forward in AI reasoning. By thinking step by step, these models bring us closer to developing truly intelligent systems. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI and technology.